Scott and Tera's Home Shop. I'm Scott.
And I'm Tera.
And we hope you enjoy the following video. Alright, what we're doing is we're opening up the solenoid on the lawnmower because I don't have time or the money to go get one. Alright, there's a little solenoid. Set it off over there. Alright, I need a 7/16. Actually, this will work. Now we're going to push this back out. There we go. Alright, so what I want to do is take these out. Booger the threads up, but I can deal with it. I need a piece of sandpaper. I don't know if that's going to reach. I hope so.
Right. Need a wrench?
Yes, 7/16.
Okay. Okay.
And then this.
Yeah.
Where's the spring go?
It goes on top. Oh, look, it goes right there.
Oh, okay.
Yep. Boop. And this.
Right now I need some Allen, some pot rivets.
Alrighty. Two. Ma'am!
Ted, don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it! But you already went inside.
Ted made me say it.
You already went inside. No, I didn't. Y'all heard that he told me. I got evidence now.
Camera's not rolling.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Can I get a pot rivet gun?
Yeah.
Alright, thank you.
Welcome.
Seems like it's got rust in it or something.
Might.
I don't know why it's doing that. Hang on a minute. Now all we do is we're just putting the pot rivets right back in.
Like so. the last one. I'm gonna close this before I have to pay 24 a 500 piece pickup.
Alright, go get me the battery booster. Trying to get this back bolt in behind.
I can try and fit my hand in there.
Where's the battery cable? There it is. Not sure you can see it, but let me get a little light over here. You might be able to. There's a bolt right up under that wire. Oh, let me get this in there. There's a bolt down in there you have to get from behind everything. Sorry for the camera jumping in the finger in the middle of it. See? Alright, you got it bolted back together?
Not yet.
Alright, we'll bring y'all back when we get ready to fire it up.